So here's the plan. Pool's right here. We are in Westchester with my main man Rye. We are ripping out from this side over. Then we're redoing the steps here. Gonna be a pond up top here. How big is the pond, bud?
15 by 20.
15 by 20, and then about like a 20-foot meandering stream coming back down here to a pondless, or a vault, if you will. So
5 minutes later.
we dug down and put a silt fence here in case it would rain a lot and wash down. We don't want anything getting in the pool. And we ripped this wall out, and we ripped out, Rye just ripped out those 2 bushes, which I think are gonna go. And then some of this is we're gonna keep that and that little bush up there. We'll rip the rest out of this and we'll keep on rolling.
15 minutes later.
All right, that's out. We're gonna start mapping this thing out. It's Did you forget? Did you forget about these guys and those guys? Oh man.
Bob and Larry!
That's right.
Give her 2 tickets to the gun show.
Up here.
Here we go.
Our fall box facing roughly in here, going towards the house. We'll have a 15 by 20 pond, 20 long way, 15 width. Dumping that into a stream body, coming down the bank here, and into the pondless pit. And then we'll also have a nice walkway coming up and steps that's going to follow the stream the whole way up. We'll actually have a stepping stone going across the stream body right before the pond, and eventually we're going to end up doing a little flagstone seating area over on this side. Stay tuned.
Picture that all in your mind and then see what it looks like. Starting to shape up a little bit here. Obviously that's the pit. I start to work some of these drops in. It's gonna come out of this zero edge pond, drop down through here. And general area of the fall box. Edge of pond. Edge of pond.
A few moments later.
What happened, buddy?
Just, you know, stuff up this morning.
Really? Gotta use that language. Yeah. You kiss your mama with that mouth.
All right, I'm here live with Ryan, and got some steps going here. Got the start of the old pondless here, which is going to lead up to the zero edge pond, and we're going to hopefully start working our way up through here today. And we'll check back in.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right. Progress in the stream today. Rye's becoming one with the rock, loving the rock. Foaming and pebbling, setting our lights in. So they're in.
A few minutes later.
All right. So next week, pond gets dug. Zero edge right here. Drops into the stream and falls. And leads down into the pit.
Hour later. Minute 37 seconds later.
we got here, buddy?
It's called a rock. What does it look like?
Oh, that's nice rock.
It's an expensive rock.
Got the bottom rocked in. Fish cave in. Falls are just about done.
2 hours later. Later.
Do you like me? If you do, please say